Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, children and adults, elderly and unelderly. They've spun their honey out at the farm. Got a message at 1:30 in the morning. Obviously the bees have found the supers. They were on here. So they'll clean that up and then they'll all leave that alone. What, piggies? What are you doing, piggo? Sit, run, piggy, run. But let's just switch the car off. I'll walk it because it's not far. They spun them out in the workshop. They spun them out with electric spinners. Obviously, this time of year the bees are like, well, they'll smell a fart of honey 3 miles away. So they're all on it, like you see back there on that. But yeah, it's not good. Look, there's bees floating around that doorway. You can hear them. Bees all over this. We'll take that bit of wood away. But look, they're trying to get in there, look. There's fucking bees everywhere, man. They know it's, they've sniffed that honey out, mate. They ain't, look at them all around the building. They're like, come on, give us it back. And in the bee unit, it's full of bees, appropriately. They're just on the rob. They're trying to rob anything they can. Oi, bees, there's nothing in here. Come on out. Because you'll get stuck behind the bloody window. You can't figure your own way out. You dum-dums. Yeah, bees everywhere. So I'm going to take the supers far away and put them on a pallet. Just to let them be clean, because I can't get them back on the hives. I could probably at dark time, but there's could be no point now. Yeah, look at that. Crackers. Hey up. The car's got a hole in it. We'll have this board. We're having this board, bees. Seems to be what you're going after. So we'll sling that on the trailer. Anything that smells of honey, basically. They're all over it. Oh look, they all want to get in the Panda and give it a clean, because there's a load of honey in there on the back seats. Like, spilled when I've been moving supers and stuff with the trailer. Oh my god, yeah, it's caused the situation, isn't it? You see how quick the bees find stuff, and look at them. It's like a swarm, that. It's not, it's just bees, hungry. Hungry bees. Mopping up every bit they can get, look. I'll probably, this probably wants washing off, really, doesn't it? That's chaos. It's crazy. They'll clean that up within a few minutes, though. Fuck off. They can smell it on me. They can smell me. I smell like a bee, probably. That round and that much. Yeah, so I'll probably jump in the loader and wash the bucket out for them. Because otherwise the bees are going to be sniffing around there. Sniffing around the pigs and everything. Oh, that's what I'll do. Look at them. Why you like the wheel so much? Crackers. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll wash the bucket out. It's probably the best thing to do. Look, the bees coming with it, look. They can follow it, they sniff it. Yeah, I'll clean the bucket out. That's probably the sensible thing to do. Give it a wish wash. Think she might have broken her car. Bees in the cab. Come on out. Edward won't be very happy. So they're cleaning up the trailer now. Well, if I open the boot, they'll clean up the boot of the car. Might actually do that, because there's a lot of honey crap in there. Look at them. So I've cleaned the bucket. They're still sniffing around it. The thing is, now they'll recognise the yellow forklift, you see. And there's a few left there. They're following me. Just put the gloves in. leave the gloves in there, because everything like, my car smells like freaking honey. Yeah, I think we've sort of solved the situation. Got rid of them from there. There's not so many around there. I've washed it off, so they'll still be looking, because obviously they recognise the forklift now. They're like, oh, here comes that forklift. That might have some food for us. So we'll just have a look over here, because I moved that bit of wood and that instantly got the bees away from the workshop doors. Yeah, so technically that's bee season over now. It's just making sure everything's alright and gonna get through winter. Feed them up a bit for winter. They still want into the workshop. See, the thing is, once they figure out there's nothing in there, they'll all start to bugger off down the bottom.